everybody. What's up, man? We're gonna cook and bake like a dan. First thing I did, I opened the package. And then I took these out. Then I had to get the oven set for 350 degrees. I have to place the cookie dough on this sheet. Okay, this and this. That's not all that's coming out of me. We have more cookies, everybody. More cookies. More cookies. Banana cuckoo. Without touching anything, which is going to be insanely dangerous. That's all. With that, now we just got to wait. That was insanely scary. Okay, we have to wait 10 minutes. Yay! Okay. Man, what's up? This just came on. Cookies are done. I have to pull this down. I don't know. I can do this, but I have to wait for them to cool down. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna put them on the plate. Finally, after 9 years, I got the cookies.
Yeah.
Last step. Enjoy.